Everyone benefits from working on their posture. If you want to improve your yoga poses, whether wanting to strengthen your spine and posture for sport, you might be rehabilitating an injury, or simply straining your neck at work, Vertex is adaptable for all ages of people, so no one's left out. We heavily encourage children to use Vertex to counteract all the screen time they interact with in our modern day lives. This will ensure their spines develop strong, healthy, pain-free, and in their natural upright posture. Working on your posture takes time, so be patient with it, as it didn't get here overnight. We want you to enjoy the process and have fun using Vertex, and get others involved. Try picking a coin up from the floor with keeping Vertex on your head, and you'll be surprised the fun you have. You'll soon start to see your posture and spine improve over the coming weeks and months from consistently using Vertex. Although if you find yourself overdoing it a wee bit, take a few days off. Remember, these muscles haven't been used in a long time, so it'll take time for them to build up. Just be patient with it, and you'll soon get back on track. We here at Posture Prime are very excited for your journey on developing a better posture and overall spine health. Good luck.